Hello and welcome to Jamila's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making imjadra, lentil rice. Start off by boiling your lentils for 30 minutes. I like to cover them completely with water and keep the broth for later. While the lentils are boiling, go ahead and slice your onions. Add your onions into a pan and drizzle about a half a cup of olive oil. Cook your onions on medium heat until brown and caramelized. Don't forget to keep checking on your lentils. You're going to need to have some patience because it's going to take about half an hour to 45 minutes for these onions to golden brown. You don't want to burn them. Once your lentils are fully cooked and they're not crunchy when you taste them, add your rice and keep that broth in there. You may need to add some more water, and that's okay. So you want to make sure to cover the rice and lentils completely with water. And a trick my mom taught me is if you put the spoon halfway in and the water covers halfway, then you know you have enough water. So I added a little more to make sure, and it's fully covered as well. Add your chicken bouillon and your cumin. Instead of salt, I use the chicken bouillon because it gives more flavor. Drizzle about 1/4 cup of olive oil to the rice. Turn your rice on high heat until it boils. Once your rice starts to boil, turn it on low and cover it until it's fully cooked. My onions are on medium heat and they are finally starting to brown. My rice is finally cooked and my onions are caramelized. And there you have it, delicious lentil rice. Thank you for watching Jamila's Kitchen. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like, and ring that bell too.